Lovely to have you back with us on Traders 20.
Well, an abysmal market breadth and the small cap index intraday graph is only adding to the woes as we speak, deep in the red by 0.5%. But some counters which are holding up, Orient paper has hit a new high, as has Dishman Pharma, which is ruling the roost high by 2.5%. Take a look then at some of the other small cap gainers. HCL Info, after seeing a drubbing, is up 17%. Their reports that Lenovo is going to buy a 50.7% stake in the company, and Pletico Pharma, no surprises, at 201.
Well, time then to bring on board two other experts, Rajat Bose as well as Deepak Mohoni, with their top bets. Hi there, gentlemen. Rajat, first come to you with your top ideas for today, and why are you recommending them?
See, my top ideas for today's T20 would be Infosys and Balrampur Chini as buy calls. Infosys is the largest, and the topmost contributor in today's Nifty. Nifty is still in the negative, but Infosys is still contributing about 4 points. Of course, other stocks have offset that gains. TCS definitely is looking pretty good, but Infosys, in my opinion, is also showing signs that it can still move up at least to about, say, 2467 kind of level. So I've kept that as a target, and 2425 to about 2420 is a support area for Infosys. So I've kept a stop loss below 2420 at 2419. Balrampur Chini showing a lot of strength, good momentum, and 67.50 is a highly achievable target for Balrampur Chini, and I have kept a stop loss below 62, 61.90 or 61.80, wherever you prefer. Don't put the stop loss exactly at 62, because in that case the stop might get hit, since these are very common stop loss levels. And the only sale call that I have is Jindal Steel and Power. Jindal Steel and Power, in my view, is looking pretty weak. It can once again slide down to below 360 levels, or even it can go down to 350. I've kept a target of 356, and 376 to about 378 is a major supply zone, but below that also 372 to 373 in my reckoning is another supply zone. I've kept a stop loss above 373 and a target of 356. If 356 is taken out on the downside, if the market weakens, then you can even expect 350. So these are two sales and one buy. Two buys and one sale.
Okay, that's what Rajat Bose is recommending for today to Deepak Mohoni, and it's a hat trick. TCS features on your list as well, and you're going longer on United Spirits.
Indeed, United Spirits first. That's been in a pretty strong intermediate uptrend now for some weeks. It dips every now and then for a couple of days and starts another leg of the move. So this is pretty much that situation where it's done that little correction and appears to be continuing onward upward. So good point to get in with a stop loss of 925 and a target of 978. TCS, this has been in a persistent uptrend for even longer, and more significantly, it recently broke past 1300. That was its lifetime high, and had a very small pullback after that, continuing with that move. So it's looking fairly strong going ahead. As I said, a persistent uptrend. That's exactly the sort of move you want to catch. Stop loss is 1315, and the target is 1388. The one intraday short sale is in Reliance Power with a stop loss of 84 and a target of 81. Only yesterday it hit a 8-month low, so it's in a fairly strong downtrend, and it's not really picked up today. So it should do for a fairly good short sale today.
Alright, so watch out for United Spirits, TCS as well as Reliance Power. Those are some of the picks coming in from Rajat and Deepak.